If your YouTube short keeps getting under 2000 views, you post, you wait, you refresh, and you see 200 views, 400 views, then that. In this video, I will show you 6 real reasons your short aren't missing the algorithm. So, and exactly what to do instead. Stay with me until the end because the last mistake is the one that killed my previous channel. So, my name is Sheikh. For years, I worked a normal 9 to 5 job and even a drove for Lyft and Uber just to pay bills. But after I learned how to build an online income the right way, I quit driving and now I am creating this channel to help people like us reach the same level. I'm not a famous, English is not my first language, but I study YouTube every day and I tasted short on my own previous channel. And I am going to give you a simple, honest advice you can use today. People swipe away too fast. YouTube looks at the things. Do viewers stop or do they swipe? If 100 people see your short but only 40 stay, YouTube says this video is not interesting. Stop pushing it. So what do you do? First, keep most of your short 20 seconds or less. Shorter video equals easier to watch until the end. Second, your first 2 seconds must punch the viewer on the face with curiosity, not violence. Instead of "Hi guys, welcome to my channel," say something like "Your short gets 200 views, here is why." Or if your video dies after 500 views, watch this. A strong hook, fast piece, no hello, no intro music. Make them stop scrolling. Your channel looks die or looks like a bot. If you create a brand new account and post a 20 short on one day, YouTube is confusing. Who is this person and what do they watch? And this a real human or a spam account? So here is what to do. If your channel is new, for the first 2 to 3 weeks, watch other shorts in your niche, like videos you enjoy, or leave a real comment. Use the account like a normal viewers, or like you can comment on my videos to show YouTube like your account is not a spam. Show YouTube you are a real human and not a robot factory. Sometimes the algorithm misses. Reason number 3, the algorithm just misses. You make a good short, a strong hook, a good watch time, but it stops at 80 views, nothing moves. If your channel is not new and the short stay under 100 views for 2 days, try this trick. Delete the short, change the title, maybe change the thumbnail frame, re-upload on a different day and time. You didn't fail. So the packing failed. In this case, the packing is failed. Give a good short a second chance. Reason number 4, your tags confuse YouTube. If your short is about like bicep workout at home, but your tags say funny memes, footballs, Mr. Beast, YouTube has no idea who should see your video. Use this simple 3-layer system. 4 tags. Number 1, post a specific tags. Explain exactly what is the short, like a bicep workout, arm day at home, no equipment workout. 2 niche tags. What is your channel about? Example, fitness, home workout, training over 40. Broad tags, general YouTube short tags. And this is the step-by-step strategy. Like say viral short, YouTube short tips for you page. So tag and issue group are enough. Not magic, just helping YouTube put your short in the front of the right viewers. Posting too much. Number 5. Reason number 5, you are posting too often. For small channels, uploading 5 shorts a day can actually hurt you. Why? Because YouTube doesn't know which short to push. The good one gets buried under the bad's one. So if you have under 100k subscribers, do this instead. Post one strong short per day, or even one every 2 days if you want more time to make it good. Give the algorithm time to test your short and find an audience. Quality plus curiosity beats random spam. Reason number 6, wasting the title and hashtags. Reason number 6, you waste your title with the hashtags. If your title is like short gym arm day, nobody feels curious, nobody clicks. Your title is for humans. Your description and tags are for algorithm. So use no hashtags in the title. Write a title that opens a curiosity gap. Example, I did this wrong over 10 years at the gym. UBSEP workout is useless because, and then in the description add 2 to 3 relevant hashtags like short, fitness, home workout. That's enough. Let me leave you with this. If your shorts stay under 1000 views, it doesn't mean you are bad at YouTube. It just means the algorithm is not sure who should see your videos yet. Fix your hook. Use a real account. Give us a good short second chance. Use a smart tag. Don't post like robot. And protect your titles. If you want more simple videos about YouTube growth from a normal, busy person like you, subscribe now and tell me in the comments which mistake are you fixing based on your shorts. I read every comment and I will use your answer to make the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.